Hello! Gift knitting. Handmade bags by Dan. My keychain. Now, I have mixed feelings in regards to knitting for Christmas because I want, once I made an item, I want that person to wear it straight away. I plan to knit a few, just a few gift knits, and these are one of them. These are socks for a gentleman and slightly bigger than usual, so I'm not putting it on my sock blockers because they'll be too big. I'll show you close by. These socks are using fingering weight yarn hold double, so 2 strands together. As you can see, I use this beautiful beige color and this green. I knit from toes, so I started 12 stitches, extended every second, 3 rounds, and tube. I was knitting a tube until I figure out that'll be it. I think it's 70-40. It's very good to write down stuff in case you're knitting socks for first time, and I like my videos so I can also go back to them. So yes, I did 12 stitches. I increased as I do during my free tutorial, although I'm using fingering weight yarn hold once. It's exactly the same. I extended to 52 stitches and I was knitting in the round. I did over here 60-40, so 100 rounds you have in one sock. Obviously during that adventure I placed markers to mark where I wanted to put heels, so cut the yarn. Again, down below links to my how I do stuff free tutorials on YouTube, so check it out. I then switched colours obviously, and I did 1x1 rib, and I did tubular bind off, also tutorial down below if you're interested how I did it. I think it's such a nice finish and it's so worth it. So worth it. And I think it's so worth it to put that a little bit extra effort because, to be honest, I don't know when I'm going to knit a next pair for that person. Just saying. Fingering weight yarn hold double, so what kind of weight are we getting over here? It's hard to say. Some people say it's like a thick DK or a thinner worsted, something in between, so let's say it's a DK. I used US size 2, which is 2.75mm needles, and also to emphasize this amazing gift, I'm using this under the tree. What yarn? I know. So I have some old stash of Drops Fable yarn and I want to use it. So I've knitted socks with this color, which is 650 on the screen now, fingering on US size 1 2.25mm needles, so very thin. I used I think 56 or stitches over there. Why not to try and use it for the heels and ribbing and toes, and I had enough, and as you can see I still have some bit left. It could be a really cute shorties if I maybe mix it with helix method and put another one, so it gives me a slightly different effect and puts a little bit different vibe on knitting. If you have the same yarn with the same color and if you knit and you have to knit the same socks, that would be boring. Yeah, just to entertain yourself a little bit if your stash, like mine, is not so big. Okay, and then I found these. I haven't knitted, I think, because they're quite affordable yarn, maybe during the sale less than €2 per 50 gram. I have a few there over there, and this color is 651, so this is 650, the green, and this is 651. And just to show you how it's kind of work over here, obviously when you knit socks holding 2 skeins at the same time, you may get slightly different effects on each sock. So for instance, lately I have finished these socks on the screen and you can see that they are different, but that's kind of a risk I'm willing to take. And with the Fable, because of their striping and it's not so contrast, it kind of variegates itself. Is that the word? Variegates? Blends, I think that's more, blends itself, so even if you hold them differently, I don't think it will be such a big difference. Okay, I think that's all. Check the link down below, check other videos, definitely go check playlist socks and see what I've done so far. If you have any questions, let me know. Check how I do things. There are a few tutorials if you've never knitted socks before, or you're just interested how I do it. And yeah, find me on Instagram. I hope I'm going to see you there too. Until the next one, bye.